Industry analysis is a tool that many businesses use to assess the market. It is used by market analysis as well as by business owners to figure out how the industry dynamics work for the specific industry study. Industry analysis helps the analyst develop strong sense of what is going on in the industry. An industry analysis. The five forces of industry analysis. Michael Porter has identified five forces. First, bargaining power of suppliers. Second, bargaining power of buyers. And threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, rivalry among competitors. Bargaining power of suppliers. Any business requires inputs, labor, parts, raw materials, and services. The cost of your inputs have a significant effect on your company's profitability. Whether the strength of suppliers represents a weak or a strong force on the amount of bargaining power they can exert, ultimately on how they can influence the terms and conditions of transactions in their favor. Suppliers would prefer to sell to you at the highest price possible or provide you with no more service than necessary. If the force is weak, then you may be able to negotiate a favorable business deal for yourself. Suppliers can sell directly to your customers by passing the need of your business. For example, a manufacturer could open its own retail outlet and compete against you. Bargaining power of buyers. The power of buyers describes the effect that your customers have on the profitability of your business. The transaction between the seller and the buyer creates value for both parties. Have more economic power, your profitability to capture a high proportion of the value created will decrease and you will earn lower profits. Your industry has many small companies supplying the product and buyers are few and the large. For example, you may have little negotiating power if you and several competing companies are trying to sell similar products to one large buyer. Threat of new entrants. You may have the market concerned with your product, but your success may inspire others to enter the business and challenge your position. The threat of new entrants is a possibility that new firms will enter the industry. New entrants bring a desire to gain market share and often the significant resources. Their presence may force prices down and put pressure on profits. Analyzing the threat of new entrants involves examining the barriers to entry and the expected reactions of existing firms to a new competitor. Threat of substitutes. Products from one business can be replaced by products from another. If you produce a commodity product that is undifferentiated, customers can easily switch away from your product to a competitor's product with few consequences. In contrast, there may be a distinct penalty for switching if your product is unique or essential for your customer's business. Substitute products are those that can be fulfill a similar need to one your product fills.